We're back now to give you the legal edge, and here, as always, is attorney Brian Waldman from the Sinus Law Firm. So recently, more than 70 people reported getting sick after eating at a Charlotte restaurant. The health department got involved, and nationally, we've seen larger outbreaks due to food poisoning. For example, last summer, nearly 650 people became sick after eating at a Chipotle near Columbus, Ohio. So, Brian, what are the legal rights of consumers in situations like these?
Well, all restaurants have a duty to provide their customers with what's called reasonable care.
Okay.
And if a consumer can show or a customer can show that the restaurant breached that duty of reasonable care and it caused them to become sick or ill, they have a potential claim against the restaurant.
Okay, and it seems like from my perspective, something like that would be easy to prove. If you say, I've gotten food poisoning from this restaurant, I'm clearly sick, here's the case.
Well, Siobhan, that may seem to be like it should be an easy thing to prove, but the reality is these are very difficult cases to prove and very difficult cases to win for a number of reasons.
Well, let's get into that. Why?
So first of all, it's normally not a situation where the media gets involved or the news gets involved and there's tens of people or hundreds of people. Normally someone comes home and they're sick. And the difficult issue is what lawyers refer to as causation, proving that that food poisoning caused the illness.
Okay.
So if you think of it, if I was traveling for work and I was out of town, I came home at night and I wasn't feeling well, I wouldn't necessarily think, oh, it must be food poisoning. I've come in contact with a number of people, they may have been sick, right. And then maybe the next morning I'm not feeling well, I go to the doctor and that doctor is able to confirm, hey, this is a bacteria that you have that's caused likely from food poisoning. Well, what did I have to eat the 24 hours, 48 hours before? I went to lots of restaurants, a hotel buffet, a gas station, convenience store. So trying to pinpoint what actually causes the illness tends to be the problem.
And that is the issue. Okay, so what can people do? Because it is terrible getting food poisoning. People want something done.
Well, first of all, know that knowledge that you're not the only one is an important thing. So if you suspect that you've been the victim of food poisoning, contact the local health authority. You can go to the State of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. They'll show you who to contact. An investigation will be done, and you'll get answers, and you'll also hopefully prevent other people from becoming sick.
And that's a good point, too, is helping others as well. Brian, thank you so much, as always, for giving us the legal edge.
Thanks, Siobhan.